Learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Eric, hello, Professor Brandon. How are you today? Brandon, hello, Professor Eric. I'm well, thanks. How are you doing? Eric, very good, thanks. Today, I would like to talk about the importance of education for students. Brandon, of course, this is a very important topic. Education plays a major role in shaping the future of the rising generations. Eric, yes, education is the key to developing children's skills and abilities. It helps them understand the world around them better. Brandon, absolutely, thanks to education, students can develop their skills in reading, writing, arithmetic, science, languages and other areas. Eric, in addition, education helps build strong moral characters in children. They learn values such as integrity, respect and responsibility. Brandon, yes, and we cannot forget the role of education in broadening children's horizons and opening doors of opportunities for them in the future. Education can help children achieve their dreams and goals. Eric, indeed, in addition, education enhances critical thinking and problem-solving ability, making children more qualified to face life's challenges. Brandon, also, education plays a big role in promoting cross-cultural understanding and rapprochement between peoples, which contributes to building a better world. Eric, certainly, and it is very important to provide students with a good and effective educational environment that contributes to their development and motivation to learn. Brandon, yes, but we must also emphasize the importance of encouraging parents and the community to support education and provide educational opportunities for all. Eric, absolutely. It's a shared responsibility to ensure that all children get the education they deserve.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.